Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, I'm going to try to solve this one without doing it on paper first. So we have a diagram, so I'm going to draw the diagram. It's got a spring force here and here. Wish I would have changed the color of that. A, B, C, D. B, C, D. They're all supposed to be the same, and they're all supposed to be, I'm going to call them L, which is 200 millimeters. And I'm actually going to call it 0.200 meters because that's the same as 200 millimeters. All right, then we've got 2 in here. Let's label G, F, E, D, A, B, C. All right. These are all L's in here also. I'm going to set up my axis so that this is X and this is Y. And then we've got a force. And I wish I would have drawn my forces in red, so I'm going to draw them in red right now. We've got a force acting downward at E. And I'm just going to call that P, which is 900 newtons. Determine the value of X. Aha, X is here. Okay, I was wondering what the question was. Okay, so I'm going to need the Y value at point A. So that appears to be, wait a minute, we're not given a theta here. So I'm going to say theta is this, which would be the same as this. All right. Y equals L sine theta. All right, so that would be Y at A. Y at G is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 of the L's sine theta. And it's negative. Y of A is positive, YG is negative. I'm also going to need YE, which is 1, 2, 3, negative 3 L's sine theta. Let's go ahead and do the derivatives. Delta Y at A, derivative of sine is cosine, so it's just L cosine theta. Delta Y at G, delta theta, is negative 5L cosine theta delta theta. Delta YE is negative 3L cosine theta delta theta. So delta U is 0. The force at A is negative. So negative F sub S L cosine theta delta theta plus F sub S, and this is at G now, negative 5 L cosine theta delta theta. And then E is downward. So minus P times negative 3L cosine theta delta theta. All right. L, L, L. That cancels out. Cosine theta delta theta. Cosine theta delta theta. Cosine theta delta theta. That cancels out also. So now it says negative f sub s minus 5 f sub s. That would be negative 6 f sub s. So I'm going to write 6 f sub s. And that's going to equal 3p. So p is 2 f sub s. Yep. Okay, so p is 2 f sub s. All right. What else do we know here? The spring is 300 millimeters long when it's unstretched. Okay. Well, let's figure out what y sub a minus y sub g would be, because that is the stretched length. So y sub a is L sine theta. Y sub g is negative 5L sine theta. So y sub a minus y sub g is going to be 6L sine theta. So this is x, actually. So the spring force is k times x. Wait a minute. No, it's not k times x. It's the spring force is k times delta x. So it's going to be x minus 300 millimeters. Right. The spring force is k times delta x, the stretch. And delta x is going to be x minus that. Okay, so now we can just put all this together. P equals 2 f of s, f sub s, but f sub s is k times x minus 0.300 meters. We know that P is 900 newtons, And we know that K is 5,000 newtons per meter. And so now we just need to solve that for X. So 900 equals 2 times 5,000, which would be 10,000 times X minus 0.3. Some zeros here. 900ths, that would be 0.09, equals X minus 0.3. So X is going to be 0.3 plus 0.09, 0.39 meters. Which is, of course, the same as 390 millimeters.